Hello guys, my name is Saif, and in today's video I'm gonna show you how you can work on Pipedrive or make it as most fun and as easy as possible for you and for your colleagues. I will try to help you get the maximum benefit out of it. First things first, you have to create an account from here. Since I already have an account, I will just press on login. Here is the interface. The most powerful feature of this interface is the left menu, which contains all the major components of Pipedrive. Here you can access on your leads. In leads 1, you can add new lead, you can start live chat, you can message your leads. And in leads 2, this provides like a summary for your leads and the cost related to them. Here you can access on your projects, campaigns, inbox, activities, your contacts, insights, products, marketplace, and finally you can see more options like importing data, accessing on documents, and so on and so forth. So first things first, we will start creating our first lead. Here you can press on add new lead. It will ask you some basic informations like the contact person's name. Let's say Olivia. Her organization is Krispy Kreme, or let's make it something easier like Olivia Cosmetics. The value of the lead, how much money is it expected to be earned from this lead? Let's say 5,000. And here you can choose the currency. Let's choose it as dollars. You can just write the currency so as not to get distracted. And we can choose American US dollars. Here it is. Here you can choose the labels. Hot leads are expected to be leads which are most probable to be accepted as clients. Warm is a moderate lead and cold is a low possibility or probability lead to be accepted. So let's choose it as a hot lead. The owner is me. The expected date, the expected close date for the lead, let's make it after maybe tomorrow. And let's make it to visible to owner's visibility group. Finally, here you can add the phone and the email for the person who is considered as a lead. And now let's press save and move on to the next part. Let's navigate to contacts. Let's say Olivia is a real customer for my company, and she is trying to facilitate the lead with her own company, which is Olivia's Cosmetics. So by this, I can add Olivia as a customer, and directly it took the organization from the leads tab. Here you can add more information about Olivia. However, I'm gonna leave it empty for now. Since Olivia exists as a customer here, the organization will automatically be filled with Olivia Cosmetics because it's already the company where Olivia works or which Olivia owns. So since Olivia is a customer, her organization will be automatically moved to the organizations I'm dealing with. I can also add organizations from here manually. Here, people shows the number of people in the organization who I deal with. Now let's add an activity. Let's say I'm going to meet with Olivia tomorrow to close the deal for her company, which is Olivia's Cosmetics, that I mentioned before in the leads. All what you need to do is to add a new activity. And here you have many options to decide what kind of activity it is. It can be a call, it can be meeting in person, it can be a task, it can be deadline, it can be email, or it can be gathering for lunch. So let's make it an official meeting, and let's mention the meeting closure for Olivia Cosmetics deal. Here is the date in case you want to change it. You can also mention the hour, the minutes. So it's basically only 5 minutes, which is not, it's illogical. So let's make it 30 minutes. Okay. You can also fill this information based on your requirements, and you can now save it. And here it's added here. The deal, you can mention the deal. We can say it's the $5,000 deal, or we can just leave it blank. You can also fill this information. You can also mark it as done, so it will disappear. Since we selected it as a complete, it has been removed from the to-do list. So what if you pressed on the check mark and checked it as accomplished by mistake? All what you need to do is to just open the calendar view and uncheck it. And it's here once more. Perfect. Now we also need to update this activity in deals, so as to be reminded that we have an active deal that is due tomorrow. So you can press on this plus sign, choose the contact person, let's say Olivia, and automatically it will fill this information which has been filled before in the previous tabs. Here you can write the value. We will write the same value as we mentioned in the lead, and we will say it's in USD, US dollars. You can also write the expected closure date and some other information here. Now I will just save. And you have an active deal. You can move this deal between various stages. You can also schedule as an activity to synchronize with activities. After finishing the meeting, which will decide whether the deal is gonna be won or lost, you need to enter on the deal and mark it as won or lost. Let's say it has been won, so it will just celebrate being won. However, if we chose lost, it will ask you about the reason why it was lost, so that it will be like a positive feedback for you, so as not to fail in the same mistake again. So as you can see, everything is cohesively linked. This is what makes Pipedrive a powerful tool. I hope this tutorial was beneficial to you guys. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and thank you for watching this tutorial.